Well, the sun's coming up. So the restaurant is now open, so we've got the main drive lane opened up. We're out in Roseville, Minnesota. It's Sunday, April the 2nd. This is SPS Inc. 651-775-0950. This is our 11th year. This is the 11th time we power washed this ramp. First time we did it was in 2006. This particular ramp, usually you'd think this would be a great idea to do at night, but there's noise ordinances in the neighborhood here, and they prevent us from working at night. So we get a little jump on it, get out here at 5 in the morning and get started, so at least the drive lane can be opened up, and we just do a section a day. So this is a 4-day project, and we'll go straight to the end here. James is running a 4,000 PSI power washer. It's a Mighty M power washer. They're made out of Iowa. Mighty M is the only products we use. Very reliable. And with this machine, he can actually cut gum. Those black spots are gum. That's what 16,000 cleaning units will do for you. This is SPS Inc. Have a great day.